In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add zoom in, zoom out, keyframe on Filmora 15. First of all, I need to input a video. Okay, I input from gallery to this timeline. Now here are the main things. You need to select which part and which second you want zoom in first. For example, this is the starting point. So I need to just going this video basic and this transform, then add this white keyframe. Now just few seconds later I add here more, then click in the position, then click, just I need to just zoom in. Okay, you can see this is a zoom in effect. You automatically add scale. Again, just few seconds later I add its zoom out. I just want to play this video first. You can see it's already working as well. Thanks for watching. See you again.